Hey, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Uriah from X-Speed Music. It's been a very long time since I came on this channel. You know, I've been off YouTube for some time now, and I think it's due. You know, I just have to come back and, you know, fulfill my mandate. So on this channel, I'm bringing something new. That is, all my subscribers, if you think you are my subscriber, you can just go into the link description box and you find my email over there. If you think you want me to mix and master your song, I'm going to do that for free. And remember, your song will be featured on this channel as well, as in it's going to be like an educational material for my subscribers as well. So if you think you're interested and you have some song over there, make sure you have a nice song. Like, the song should be good, you know, so that our audience will also be happy. So I'll be very selective on that. But if you send me a very nice song, you know, we're going to mix it live and master it live on this channel. So thanks a lot, and I look forward to receiving your email. Best regards. Ciao.